Hey gang, Daryl Davis coming here to talk about designing a life worth smiling about. So I want to talk to you about separating your thoughts and feelings from the facts in your life. Let's say right now you're going through some kind of challenge. Maybe something about money with the kids or the spouse, your business. When something happens that's upsetting to us, we have a tendency of combining our thoughts and feelings about what happened with the facts. So I want you to imagine there's the facts that happened, and then there's your thoughts and feelings, totally separate things. Now, when we start to get crazed with our thoughts, that shouldn't have happened, they shouldn't have done this, or I feel stupid, I shouldn't have done this, whatever's driving you crazy, it actually fogs your thinking on how you can be effective in handling the facts and what's happening. I want you to imagine if you're driving down the road and you're in your car and all of a sudden a big fog comes in. You know, you're on the road trying to get from point A to point B. Now, when this big fog comes in, what do? You don't drive faster. No, that would be silly. What we would do is hopefully we would slow down. Why? Because we can't see clearly what's in front of us. And of course, we don't want to get in an accident and ruin the car. Well, the same is true here. When something happens and you start to get crazed with your thoughts and your feelings, that craziness is like a big fog. And it's getting in the way from you getting from point A to point B in that situation. So what should you do? Well, what do you do in a car? You just slow down. You take it easy. You try not to react and go so fast. Take a step back. Look at the separation. Try and separate your thoughts and feelings from just the facts. If a friend of yours was going through a similar situation that you're going through, what would you tell them? There's a good chance if you gave good advice, good coaching, you would give them advice on how to deal with the facts, not the thoughts or feelings, because if you can deal with the facts, get from point A to point B, come up with a solution, work through the facts of it, the thoughts and feelings will actually take care of themselves. The problem is never the problem. It's how we deal with the problem. And the best way to deal with the problem is to look at just the facts and not your thoughts and feelings. That's just the fog. It gets in the way of you being effective in resolving the thing that needs to be resolved. Anyway, I hope this helped you. Have a wonderful day. And of course, don't forget to keep smiling.